Hello everyone, I'm Julia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the Talker Alias feature on the Ailunce H1. This is a really handy function. It allows you to see the name or callsign of the person transmitting, even if a radio doesn't have the DMR ID database loaded. Let's start with a quick demo. When the radio doesn't have the database imported and the Talker Alias feature is turned off, you will see that the receiving radios only display the radio ID of the transmitter. Now let's change the settings. We will set this H1 as the receiving radio and enable its Talker Alias receive option. Then we will set the other H1 as the transmitting radio and turn on the Talker Alias transmit option. Before we transmit, let's check the Ailunce name on the transmitting radio. Go to Menu, Settings, Device Info, and you will see that the radio Ailunce for this H1 is Bravo India 6 Kilo 00. Now, when we transmit using this radio, you can see the receiving H1 displays the Ailunce name instead of just the numerical radio ID. And that's how the Talker Alias feature works on the Ailunce H1. I hope this video helps you better understand how to use it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more radio tips and tutorials. See you next time!